Hello kids! Welcome back to Funland Library. Today we are going to learn something exciting and fun. I family words. Are you ready to become reading superstars? Say yes! Today we will learn words from the I family. The letter I makes the sound I, I, I. Now let's learn some word families. Let's meet the IT family. It, it, it. Repeat after me. S plus it equals sit. H plus it equals hit. P plus it equals pit. F plus it equals fit. K plus it equals kit. Excellent reading. Now, let's play a game. Can you sit on the chair? Wonderful. Now touch your head if you heard the word hit. Now let's visit the in family. Let's read together. P plus in equals pin. T plus in equals tin. F plus in equals fin. B plus in equals bin. W plus in equals win. Who likes to win? I do. Pin, bin, win. Read with a grin. Tin, fin, pin. At the end, we will win. Let's learn the IP family. Read with me. L plus IP equals lip. H plus IP equals hip. D plus IP equals dip. S plus IP equals sip. Z plus IP equals zip. Amazing! What do we use to smile? Lips! Great answer. Now comes the IG family. Let's read. P plus IG equals pig. B plus IG equals big. D plus IG equals dig. W plus IG equals wig. Now, let's listen to a fun story. One day, a big pig found a pin near a bin. The pig did not sit. Instead, he started to dig. Silly pig! Let's see what you remember. P plus IG equals pig. S plus it equals sit. B plus in equals bin. L plus ip equals lip. Fantastic! Today we learned it family words sit, hit, pit, fit, kit. In family words pin, tin, fin, bin, win. Ip family words lip, hip, dip, sip, zip. Ig family words pig, big, dig, wig. You did an amazing job today. Practice these I family words every day and become a reading champion. If you enjoyed learning with Funland Library, like the video, share with friends, subscribe for more fun learning videos. Bye-bye kids! See you in the next phonics adventure!